Good afternoon. Today is April 15th. My name is Rosario Cruz, and I'm going to be going over the digestive system. We were requested to talk about how the process of the digestive system would be taken care of or will take place if we were to eat a cheeseburger. So I kind of made some notes for myself just so that I kind of won't forget, but it's pretty simple. It actually starts in our mouth. We chew the food, and as we chew the food, the excroin, exocrine, gland produces saliva. The saliva helps us, moist the food, break it down, and then we swallow the food through the esophagus. I was learning that the esophagus is actually 20 centimeters long, and as it pushes the food, it actually makes like a wave motion to kind of allow the food to go down. Once the food goes through the esophagus, it goes down to the stomach. And the stomach, we have stomach acids that breaks down the food and helps us digest the food. Once the food leaves the stomach, it goes to the small intestine, which is actually, I was learning that the small intestine is 10 centimeters long, 10 inches, 10 inches long. And it has this little like I guess, what was the hair-like little things, or and basically they're actually around the walls of the intestine that helps push the food. It actually has juices, the pancreas juices and the intestinal juices. They mix and they create this vial, and the small intestine is where we actually absorb all of our nutrients. The food goes from the small intestine to the large intestine. By the time that the food touches the large intestine, the liver had already filtered all of our toxics and the toxins from the food and everything that we drink, and it actually is taken out into the blood. So the blood, once this process is going, the liver filters, like I said, the food and the toxics, and then it's the blood actually takes all the nutrients into the body. Once the food gets to the large intestine, that's where we actually have all of our water intake or absorption takes place. The large intestine, is made out of 3 sections. We have the T-like section or junction of the intestine. Then we actually have the colon and then the rectum. So once the food touches the large intestine, it should already be broken down, filter, absorb the minerals, and the water is the last to be absorbed, and then it goes down to the rectum and the colon, which is basically the end of our digestive. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you very much.